When unboxing your Roma Boot Scooter, ensure you have enough space to work comfortably. Then, carefully open the flaps of the box using a utility knife or scissors, being mindful not to damage any of the contents inside. Inside, you'll find several components including the scooter main chassis, battery, seat, and accessories. It's important to remove all components from the box before proceeding. Start by taking out the battery, seat, and any accessories that may be packed alongside it. Set them aside in a safe place. Do not attempt to disconnect the rear wheels from the front chassis while in the box, as this could result in damage to the scooter. Next, lift the entire scooter chassis out of the box. Handle the scooter chassis with care, ensuring not to strain your back. Use your legs to lift and support the weight of the main scooter chassis. Once the scooter chassis is clear of the box, place it on a flat, stable surface. Now that you've safely unboxed your Roma Boot Scooter, you're one step closer to enjoying the freedom and mobility it offers.